Good morning, America, and good evening, India. Here is a breaking news from Texas weather. President Biden declares disaster. President Joe Biden has declared a major disaster in Texas, declaring the way for more federal funds to be spent on relief efforts in the US states. Power is returning across Texas and temperatures are set to rise, but at least 14 million people still have difficulty accessing clean water. Mr. Biden has said he will visit Texas as long as his presence is not a burden on relief efforts. Nearly 60 deaths have been attributed to cold weather across the US. The administration had already declared a state of emergency for Texas, along with Oklahoma and Louisiana. In a statement on Texas released by the White House, President Biden said he had ordered federal assistance to supplement state and local recovery efforts in the areas affected by severe winter storms. Assistance can include grants for temporary housing and home repairs, low-cost loan to cover uninsured property losses, and other programs to help individuals and business owners recover from the effects of the disaster, the statement said. Mr. Biden has been in touch with the mayors of some of Texas' biggest cities such as Houston, Austin, and Dallas to ensure they have access to government resources, and administration officials said. Several other southern states hit by snow and ice storms this week have also reported water service outage. Winter weather also cut off water in the city of Jackson, Mississippi, home to around 150,000 people, as well as the largest county in the Tennessee that includes the city of Memphis with more than 650,000 residents. City officials in Jackson say water treatment plants are now running again, but 43,000 households still have no or low water pressure, WBLBT TV reports. Across to the US South, a region unaccustomed to such frigid temperature, people whose pipes have frozen have taken to boiling snow to make water. The southwestern state's energy grid was overwhelmed by a surge in demand for heat as temperatures plummeted to 30 years low, hitting minus 18 degrees Celsius earlier this week. Nearly 80,000 homes were still without electricity on Saturday morning. Earlier this week, amid freezing temperatures, as many as 3.3 million homes and businesses were without power. But the power company Electric Reliability Council of Texas said consumers were no longer being asked to conserve energy. Close to half of the state's population have faced some disruption of water services as hundreds of water systems have been damaged by the freeze. Austin, the state's capital, lost 325 million gallons, 1.2 billion liters of water when pipe burst. Beyond the report, Fosak TV USA.